I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Hey, happy Friday. I've already taken a bite because I'm just that way. I have two 73% burgers and two dippy eggs, so I'm going to go dippy dip. I went to Walmart this morning, and I do not even know why they were on my list, but I got them. And I'm not sad about it. I had it was a package of 8 quarter-pound, 73% burgers. So I bought 2 of them. I only had 1 on my list, but whenever I went, I had some extra money. So one thing I'd like to do, but it didn't work out very well today. I think that Snowmageddon kind of messed up our store. Usually I like to get a bunch of yellow stickers of ground beef, but they didn't have any today. I don't know if it's Friday, so I don't know if that makes a difference. Oh shoot, I gotta go turn off my thing. Hang on. I'm kind of all over the place. Let me start over. Okay, went to Walmart. Didn't find any ground beef yellow stickers, but I got 3 package of ribeyes yellow stickers. Not the Angus, but like not the premium, but just the Walmart version. Got some of my pork steaks that I like, but the pork Copa, the Copacabana steaks. You have to watch the video. But anyway, hang on, I don't think I added electrolytes to my coffee this morning. So Walmart, came home, took the dogs to daycare. So tomorrow's my birthday, so I took today off so that tomorrow can just be a cool, smooth day. So I've got laundry going. I didn't do laundry last week because I was hanging out with my bestie Angie all Saturday, and then had lots of family stuff on Sundays. Like the last day I was going to get to see my sister till who knows when. So I got a lot of laundry to do. I find that if I do it steadily every other week, so like 1 week I have 1 light and 1 dark. Next week I have 1 light, 1 dark, and bedding. But today, since I skipped it, I have 1 light, and sometimes I could put the light and dark together. But today I have 1 light, 2 darks. I've got a bunch of coats, not a bunch. I have like a few coats and sweaters that I wear to the pool hall. 1 coat and 1 sweater to the pool hall. This other coat just kind of has, I wear it every day, so it's kind of got that funk. You know how clothes get a little stale. So I'm gonna wash that. And dog bedding, towels and stuff from my bathroom. So anyway, so laundry. I bought some dog treats, and so I'm gonna be cutting those in half. I already cooked up the 16 burger patties, and they're just sitting over there cooling down. I did them in the skillet. So what I'm doing is I'm taking that leftover rendered fat, and what I had to do, I added water to it in the skillet, and then I poured it into a bowl. I'm going to try to get the rendered fat from that. Burgers, it's funny. Burgers versus ground beef, it's very different. The meat is different. Maybe because it's in the skillet, I don't know. But it's definitely different whenever I use the fat from burgers from a skillet versus ground beef in the crock pot. So yeah, cutting the dog treats in half. Dogs are at daycare. I need to vacuum. I ain't making no promises, but I need to vacuum. Still a little nauseated, so this is my version of bland. This is my version of the brat diet. Beef, it's the B diet. It's the bland BE diet. You know, the brat diet is, let me think, it's bananas, rice, apples, and toast, I think is what they say is like when somebody's sick. That's considered bland. Yeah, tons of carbs. I'll weigh everything. I'll be having a nice ribeye tomorrow or this evening. We'll weigh stuff. I may be going over on a macro or on my calories, but it's gonna be my birthday, my birthday weekend. So, anyway, so that, do I have anything exciting to tell y'all? No, I'm just gonna pilfer around the house, work on cleaning stuff, so tomorrow's a smooth day. I'll update you later on everything I do. All right, bye. All right, where am I at? So I grabbed a bunch of blankets and I haven't really dusted, but it's not that dusty. Shut up. Got my towels going. I cleaned my bathroom. I didn't mop before, but I vacuumed. I vacuumed the whole house and changed my bedding. Got my candles going. Got all my bedding in the laundry. I Febrezed everything. Dogs, you know. And there's something in here, over here, but I don't remember what. Oh, I took all the dog bedding out because that's going to be washed. I got my coats washing. So I'm going to try. I've got the pictures in their frames. And I had bought command hooks. I'm kind of nervous that they won't work. But, because my walls are textured. You know, these old houses, they have textured walls. So, hang on, I'm trapped on this. But either way, I did the best I could with measuring and all that stuff. So, I tried to make this even with this all the way across and made this about 4 inches. And I tried to make it 4 inches over and 4 inches over and 13 inches from the ceiling. But don't, this one I know is off. Look, hang on, let me put you down here. I'll put you straight down below it. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, it's like a whole thing off. But you know, that's what gives it the old Terri charm. I have to wait a whole hour before I can hang things up. I did that. Like I said, got laundry going. I got all the dog things cut into bite-sized pieces. I don't know. You know, sometimes you're just cleaning and you just can't keep track of what all you did. I'm just doing. So I know that much. I've been doing. So now I'm waiting on my thing over here to tell me when it's time to go get the laundry and when it's time that I can hang, because those little command hooks have to hang for an hour. I figure I'll try them. If one of these falls, sorry, we're walking around. If one of them falls, then I will just go to regular nails. I did do a regular nail in that one. That one already had one, so I put a regular nail in this one. What I did was I measured from the white vent to the wall and then went even with that height. So in theory, those two are about the same height. They might be a little off, but I don't care. I'm a little off myself. So anyway, all right, I'll show you when they're done. I have such a bright glare from this lights, but anyway, so yeah, I got them done. We'll see how long these command hooks hold. I don't know a lot about them, but yay, I'm pretty stoked. I think it looks fun. So got them done, guys. I'd back up and show you, but again, that glare is just brutal. But still, got them done. It feels nice. My pictures are finally up. The wall's a color I like. You know, I've got my gorgeous island that my sister and I made. It's just, feels very, I got a dog door here. Don't be paying no mind to that. But it just feels very peaceful, and I'm happy with it. I got work to do over there. But, you know, it ain't like I'm trying to make it look like fancy. I live here, you know. My hair lives here too, doggies. It's saying, hi everybody, do you see me? So this is 285 grams of ribeye and 100 and something grams of my copa shoulder. And then I added some, while it was finished cooking, I added some red wine and my new balsamic vinegar. I scanned them in. Just, it's a high calorie day, but I'm tracking, and that's all that matters. It's my birthday weekend, so yeah, if this is the worst thing I eat today, I am not going to cry. It's going to be so good. we're going to eat this. And laundry, I've got, I think, 2 more loads to go. And I'm actually was just chilling out and gaming. And my brain, not my belly, I can acknowledge that. My brain said, hey, why don't you go ahead and go get you some supper? I said, okay. Or brunch, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I left my watch over there. I was making my creamies up for the week. I didn't label them. And dadgummit always thinks I've fallen. He's like, SOS, do you need help? I'm like, no. I was just shaking my my protein shake. How's your day going? Today's my Friday. So Friday, Saturday. Oh, it's your Sunday. Oh, happy Sunday. I'll be going to see Jesus and then hanging out with Judy. We're going to go out to eat. She asked me where I wanted to go eat, and I'm like, where we always go. She's like, well, I thought maybe you'd want to go to such and such. Instead, I'm like, I'll think on it. It's my birthday. I like where we go every Sunday. I really have no desire to go anywhere else. But it's good. It's right there in town, and I don't know. They have good people and good food, and I like it. There's such a variety of food, but we will see. We'll see. I might go to pick something like Texas Roadhouse or Logan's or something like that. All right, let's give this a taste. So first off, let's taste some ribeye, fresh from the grocery store this morning, and with the sell-by data today. I think this is like 1,200 calories. Something like that. Because I asked my friend over there, 200 and some odd, how much the grams it was in ounces, and she said 10. So I'm having a 10-ounce ribeye. I took one, cut it in half. It's a copa steak, pork steak, and cut that in half. So, yeah, that's good. The pork steak. So what I did was, I did it in a skillet. I put the pork steak in for 2 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other. Then, I cover it. Two minutes covered. Then I added in the pork and the ribeye and flipped it over again. 4 minutes covered. Flipped them both, 4 minutes covered. And yeah, that's really good. Yeah, buddy. Go, Terry. You've done a good job, girlfriend. All right. I'll see you next thing. Bye. Look who I have. Did you have a good day, Sam? Oh, what about you, Max? Y'all smell like you got some treaty breath. Yeah. Did they give you a COOKIE? I bet they did. Hey, girl. Oh, hi, sweet Sammy Joe. Hi, ma'am. I love you, lady. Oh, Sam, I'm trying to pet her, too. I know. I love your sister, too. Okay, anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. We're going to home. Well, howdy. I'm really happy with how my day went. I had 8 loads of laundry. I'm on the last one right now. I kept finding things to wash. I have 160 grams, basically the other part of my ribeye. I cooked it the same. And in my skillet for 4, this is beef, not pork. There's like a haze going on, not like that. But anyway, so beef, ribeye, caramel keto chow. I think caramel. Let's see. So my calories, I looked, they are sky high. Okay. It's my birthday tomorrow. It's my birthday. Oh, I will not be able to track tomorrow. You know, when you go out to eat, you can't track that stuff. So, Angie and I were just talking. We're not sure what time we're going to go. She's going to call me when she wakes up. And we'll decide from there. I've been playing my game this afternoon. And yeah, so, all right. I love y'all. And I'm just going to coast into the rest of the night. Bye.